Hi, this is Chris from Mountain View, looking at using Google Sheets to create rubrics and share rubrics with your students. So Sheets is it's a spreadsheet. Everything's lined up, columns and rows, which works out perfectly for rubrics. And for this rubric that I used last year, I just have what it is that the student is learning, being graded on, and then giving them examples of how well they would have done at different levels. Now this is something that then could be color coded. You could use the fill bucket. You can print these out and just circle things. It could be used through Google Classroom and each student be forced a copy that they could then self-evaluate and grade themselves on how did I do on these different things, and then share that back with you so you can have student input on how they did. And again, it can be done non-digitally. If you print it out, let the students mark on it how they did. Add in something where comments can be placed instead of it just being all filled with text. So there's a number of different ways, and Sheets just lends itself the most cleanly to creating rubrics and sharing them with your students.